If we wake up in early morning without any investment, we can get a new world, fresh world, and peaceful world. Our problems, our unhappiness, whenever we cannot solve with any kinds of medicine or treatment, just every day you wake up in early morning and be in touch of nature, you can see the pure world. Your life will blow with the wind. Your life will dance with the flower. Your life will be united with the universal cosmic world, and your all kinds of sadness, all kinds of sorrow will disappear within a moment.